So what I've learned is the issue with the runaway throttle and the kill switch not working is this metal part here that operates the kill switch is in the wrong spot. It's under this black piece. It should be up here. So I'm just going to pop this off. Hopefully without breaking something. There we go. So pop that off. Push that way up above. And then settle that black piece back down in its position like that. So now you can see that the spring is above. It was below. So now when you do operate the kill switch, the female spade makes contact with that spring. And that's what kills the motor. So we can see when we put it all back together, actually this choke has to be down in order to put this cover on. So let's pop that like that. All right, so there we are. So now that goes up and stays off when it needs to be. That's the kill switch. And this is part choke and full choke. So if we go to start it, there you go. That's the way it's supposed to work. So I had choke half open and eventually got it to start. And then when you squeeze the trigger, it goes into go mode, is what I'll call it. And that's the way it should be. Whereas before, when that spring was below the black piece, this wasn't behaving like it should. Like when you pull that trigger, it should click like that. And it wasn't before. And then now that works as well. Okay, so that's it. That's the fix. So shout out to Ray at the Arborist website for pointing me in the right direction as to another video to look on YouTube of somebody who was tearing apart an MS250 and he was putting it back together. And that led me to fixing mine. So thanks again.